17-time champion Wayne Dacosta has all but retained the local trainers' championship after his chestnut-cold Run Thatcher run upstaged Anthony Baba Nunes' favorite, Earn Your Stripes, to land the $4 million Jamaica 2-year-old stakes over a mile on the Boxing Day program at Caymanas Park. Dacosta is now over $1.5 million clear of Nunes. Title-chasing conditioner Anthony Baba Nunes had a very strong hand in today's feature event. In fact, he turned out 4 of the 7 runners, and it was his 4-5 favorite Earn Your Stripes under Dick Cardenas that went through very, very early in an attempt to make it a gate-to-wire affair. All this time, the second choice in the betting, Run Thatcher Run, from the stables of leading trainer Wayne Dacosta. Run Thatcher Run mounted a serious challenge off the top bend, took command a furlong out, and went away for victory.
Now by Run Thatcher Run, coming with a brave bid on the outside, and Run Thatcher Run now looks to get the nose in front. Earn Your Stripes fighting on the rail. Universal Boss is further back with Supreme Soul, but Run Thatcher Run now takes charge inside the final furlong, opening up over a length. Earn Your Stripes is now beginning to flounder inside the final 16th. It's Wayne Dacosta's Run Thatcher Run out in front. Supreme Soul comes flying but late. Run Thatcher Run wins it. Dacosta could have won the championship here. Then Supreme Soul, Earn Your.
Run Thatcher Run came home in 1 minute 39 and 1/5 of a second, closing out a double for both Walker and Dacosta on the program.
He had it all to do for the word go. He was basically inexperienced. After his first race, the jockey said he was very fast, so we gave him 2 long works to try to trim him down. He responded beautifully to both works. But today he had speed up front, and there was closers in the end. He was able to dictate in second or third position most of the way, and when asked to quit now 2 furlong, he did so.
Elsewhere on the card, the reigning horse of the year, She's a Man-Eater, attempted to close her campaign for 2018 on a winning note, but that was not to be, as Big Daddy Cool ran a spectacular race in landing the co-feature event. Big Daddy Cool was guided to victory by the 3-time former champion jockey, Dane Nelson.
To that real Big Daddy Cool, harassing all the while, and they come thundering into the lane. Big Daddy Cool on the outside. The cannibalistic filly, She's a Man-Eater, over against the rail, and the race looks to be between these as they make their way passing the 3/16th and run toward the furlong pole. Big Daddy Cool, She's a Man-Eater, continues to run strong on the far side. These two in tight proximity. Big Daddy Cool, though, picks up the lead from She's a Man-Eater. It's Big Daddy Cool with that lead. He's down in the end, and Big Daddy Cool beats She's a Man-Eater. Perfect neighbor. Houdini's match.
And after Big Daddy Cool upstaged She's a Man-Eater, trainer Anthony Baba Nunes, who admitted that the Trainers' Championship is over for this year and will go to Wayne Dacosta once again, had this reaction.
You know what? I'm really proud of my staff. We did it the right way. We held our heads high. As I told you last week, we trained our horses. We trained every one of the 81 horses that we won the races with this year. Anthony Nunes' barn trained them.
The 2018 calendar comes to a close on Saturday here at Caymanas Park.